Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll explain how you can create a purchase indent in Focus Softnet ERP and then convert it into a purchase order, step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your Focus Softnet ERP. On the dashboard, go to the search bar and type Purchase Indent. Open it and click on New to create a fresh indent. Now select your branch and department. If you have any order number, you can enter it here. Next, add the item names and quantities that you want to purchase. You can also mention any remarks or special requirements for internal notes. Once all details are filled, just click Save. That's it. Your purchase indent is now created successfully. Next part, how to convert it into a purchase order. The purchase team will go to the purchase order module. Click on New and then choose from Pending Purchase Indent. Now the system will show all the pending indents. Select the indent you just created. Once you select it, all item details, units, and quantities will automatically load from the indent. Now choose the vendor name and enter the rate, due date, and other required information. Double-check everything and click Save. Boom! Your purchase order is now generated from the purchase indent. That's how simple it is to create and convert purchase indents in Focus Softnet ERP.